I know you stole my bounce pad. Bounce pad? Oh wait, I forgot the intro. Where is Eggman? He's definitely not in that chair. He disappeared in that chair, but how? Whoa. Oh no! Whoa. Isn't it Sonic? Isn't it Sonic? You have an obnoxious voice, Eggman. Why, thank you. Where's my tools? Tails' tools. Tails' tools. Tails' tools. Tails' tools. Tails' tools. And where's my bounce pad? I don't know. You're gonna tell me. You're gonna tell me where it is, old man. Shadow! Help! I'm coming. You shall perish. What now? Dark Paris. Go to the special state. No! Well, I guess I'll jump here too. Oh, what happened? Huh? Why do I feel so dumb? I feel dumb. I'm feeling so dumb. Help! Hey, you want to see me flexing? Potatoes. No. Tails, wake up. And I have some kind of memory loss. Look, double tail. I like hippopotamus too. That's a great game. What the heck? Why am I wearing a scarf? Why do I have blue hands? Maybe it's on the bed. At least I don't have. Hi guys, I'm Stick. Oh no, I don't like Stick. Hey, you want to go on a date? And oh no, she's gonna say something inappropriate, but it's not for kids. Get me out of this nightmare, please let this be a dream. This is not a dream. This is not a dream, Sonic. Wake up! Wake up! You're a bounce pad. Oh, I'm stupid too? Yes. Well, I can do with that. How many ratings are we getting? For the TV show, at least. In the game. The game sucks. The TV show's way better. What season are we in? Season 2. Sonic Boom! Now we'll be back on Sonic Boom. Hey Tails, you want to order pizza? Sure! Or I will. Boop. Hello? Please don't say bounce pad. No, I'm not gonna say bounce pad. We're just here to order pizza. Oh, thank you. I'm in a great mood. You're really not that bad after all. Maybe you should join my club. Yeah, maybe one day. Here's your pizza. Thanks. Now off we go. Why do we use the same setting? No, we don't. Oh, we don't? Okay. Now let's eat pizza. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, yeah, before I eat pizza, oh, wait, you didn't. Meet me tomorrow in the morning. Not your friends. You and me, okay? Okay. Alright, we'll see you soon. I'm here. Alright, I'm here. Oh, hello. So me and you are the only smartest one. Oh, wait, Eggman and Shadow, too. Yeah, I'm here for a reason. Same as I. Okay. Alright, see you soon. We got act stupid. I see. Wait, what does the comment says about me and Amy? Can we go? Wait, we have to go on a date? I'd rather die and let the world die. Well, Wait, please tell me I can still not do I'm out of here. Let's see. Bounce pad, bouncy, bouncy. No! What am I turning into? My arms. Wait, that's normal. My brain cells are gonna lose it. No, don't lose it. Please don't. Buddy, wake up. One more ring to rule them all. Bouncy, bouncy. I think I lost. I'm taking over now. Hey, you wanna make out with me, Sonic? Why you're not naked, Sonic? Amy, I know you like it. You do that to Tails. Tails, please do this. No, but I have a girlfriend. Amy will like you. Wait. Ah! Oh yes. Hey, are you okay, Knuckles? Oh, she gave me a kiss. What I did that. Oh! Okay, no more for you, Knuckles. You're too young to die. Sonic, I know you want me. No, I'm the. Why is everyone dying? What? My stool. I want to get out of the stool. Too bad. I am infinite. I am pulling the strings on you. He's finally dead. I can take over the world. Ha 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 ha. That's it, folks. Bouncy. Oh no! I'm getting eaten by lyrics. Oh!